Hey guys, probably a bit of a random video if you followed this channel at all. I know it's usually about track cars, race cars, etc, etc. You'll notice today I'm sitting in something a bit random. So this is a Renault Zoe. It's one of the first gen, so it's a fully electric car. I know a lot of race car guys or whatever hate on electric cars, but for me personally, living in London, it's horrible driving the Alpina or the M3 around London. It's just really inefficient and it's clunky and it's heavy. But when you have an electric car, it's just easy to zip about. You never have to warm it up. Like today it's 1 degree. Usually I'll be sitting in my car for ages just waiting for it to warm up, get up to temperature. And usually on these short journeys, your car never gets up to temperature. So it's actually really bad for the engine. So anyways, electric car, zip around, it's cheap, it's great. I'm just going to show you today, you'll see that my key card, the key for the Zoe is low on battery. If you tell Renault to do it, it's going to cost like 50-60 pounds, they quoted. So I found that a bit ridiculous. So I'll just do it myself. I think it's just a standard button battery. So this car's from 2013 or so. So you'll find that it's the same key setup in the Megane RS, the Clio RS, pretty much all Renaults from that period. So yeah, short video, have a look. Yeah, so this is the Renault key from that generation. It looks like this. There's a little button here, as you can see. Just push that in. The key comes out like this, and you'll notice this little round thing, okay? So you just stick your key in here, just give it a bit of a wiggle, and the cap pops off, and that's the button battery you need. So it's the CR2032 battery. You can get lithium versions of this, which will last a lot longer, so probably recommend one of those. Just pop that out, and then probably recommend just making sure that just making sure you get the polarity right when you put it back in.